Let's be real. Airlines are basically turning into high-stakes debt collectors. If your carry-on is half an inch too wide, they're coming for your wallet. But what if you could pack 2 weeks' worth of gear into a bag that actually fits under the seat? Today, we're looking at the foldable, packable, how did they fit that in there gadgets that are absolute game changers for your next flight. We're talking Gadget Labs style, maximum utility, zero bulk. First up, the Turtle Travel Pillow. Forget those massive foam donuts that make you look like you're wearing a life preserver. This thing looks like a scarf, but has an internal reinforced rib that holds your head in a perfect ergonomic position. It's the difference between waking up in London feeling like $1,000,000 or waking up feeling like you wrestled a bear in Coach. It folds completely flat, so you can slide it into your laptop sleeve and go. Next, if you're a light sleeper, you know that one crying baby or the guy snoring in 12B can ruin a 10-hour haul. Enter loop earplugs. These aren't those cheap foam ones that fall out and get gross. These are stylish, low profile, and specifically designed to filter out the noise while letting you actually hear the flight attendant ask if you want pretzels. They come in a tiny carry case that fits on your keychain. It's peace and quiet minus the bulk. And since we're talking about saving space, check out the Osprey Ultralight Stuff Pack. This is a full-sized 18-liter day pack that literally shrinks down to the size of an apple. You throw this in your main luggage, and when you hit your destination, boom, you've got a high-quality Osprey bag for hiking or hitting the city. It's got mesh side pockets, breathable straps, and it weighs basically nothing. It's the ultimate just-in-case bag that you'll actually use every single day. Now let's talk about the stuff that usually kills your packing space, toiletries and what-if gear. We've all been there. Shampoo explodes in your bag and suddenly your favorite hoodie is ruined. That's why the Sea to Summit Hanging Toiletry Kit is a literal lifesaver. It's made from that ultra-thin, tear-resistant Cordura fabric that's basically weightless. But the real pro move here is the hanging design. Hotel bathrooms, especially in Europe or NYC, are basically the size of a broom closet with zero counter space. You just hang this on the towel rack and boom, you've got your entire grooming station at eye level. When it's time to move, it zips down flat, taking up almost zero room in your carry-on. Speaking of saving space, stop carrying cotton towels. Seriously, it's a rookie mistake. They're bulky, they stay damp forever, and by day 3, they smell like a locker room. Instead, look at the 4-monster Microfiber Towel. This thing is wild. It can absorb like 4 times its weight in water, but it folds down into a carrying case smaller than your smartphone. You can literally clip it to the outside of your bag. It's antimicrobial, it dries in a flash, and it's a total game changer whether you're hitting the gym, the beach, or just dealing with a sketchy Airbnb towel situation.
And for the just-in-case weather scenarios, you need the Outdoor Research Helium. This is the gold standard for packable rain jackets. Most raincoats are stiff and take up half your bag, but the Helium is an engineering marvel. It weighs about 6 ounces. That's less than a bag of chips. The entire jacket stuffs into its own chest pocket, turning into a tiny pouch you can toss in your day bag. It uses Pertex shield technology, so it's actually breathable. You won't feel like you're wearing a plastic trash bag while you're hiking or sprinting through a downpour to catch your Uber. It's high-performance gear that disappears until the moment the clouds open up. Alright, let's talk security and the absolute nightmare of lost luggage. If you aren't tracking your bags in 2026, you're playing a dangerous game with the airline gods. Whether you're Team Apple with the AirTag or you prefer the cross-platform flexibility of Tile, these are 100% non-negotiable. You just toss one into the hidden lining of your suitcase and boom, no more standing at the baggage carousel like a lost puppy wondering if your gear actually made the connection in Chicago. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it insurance policy for your peace of mind. Next, we have the Nano Bag. This thing honestly feels like it breaks the laws of physics. It's an ultralight reusable bag that can carry up to 66 pounds. That's more than a checked suitcase, yet it folds down so small it literally disappears in your palm. It's made of this high-tech diamond ripstop fabric that's thinner than a human hair, but incredibly tough. Think about it. You're hitting a local market, or you just need to haul some laundry to the laundromat down the street. You don't want to carry a bulky backpack. The Nano Bag lives on your keychain and saves the day every single time. And for the gearheads who love specs, check out the Nitecore TUP2 keychain flashlight. Most keychain lights are basically glorified glowing toys, but this is a pro-grade tool. We're talking 1,500 lumens. That's enough raw power to turn a pitch-black alleyway into high noon. It's got a built-in OLED display that tells you your exact battery voltage and which mode you're in. Plus, it's USB-C rechargeable. Whether you're navigating a power outage in your hotel or just trying to find your passport under the seat in a dark cabin, this thing is a clutch carry that takes up zero space.
But what about your phone? There is nothing worse than being at 2% battery at the boarding gate with no outlet in sight. Most people lug around a tangled mess of cables, but the rolling square inCharge XS changes that. This is the Swiss Army knife of cables. It's tiny, it snaps onto your keychain, but it unfolds to give you USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB. It even supports 60-watt fast charging. It's so small you'll forget it's there until your phone is about to go dark and you suddenly look like the hero of the terminal. And if you've got a long layover or a flight with no headrest screen, you need some entertainment that isn't just scrolling TikTok until your brain turns to mush. The Anbernic RG35XX Pro is a retro gaming powerhouse that's barely bigger than a deck of cards. It can play everything from old-school Game Boy classics to PS1 titles. It's way more portable than a Steam Deck or a Switch, fits perfectly in a jacket pocket, and the battery life is legendary. It's the ultimate boredom killer for those long hauls when the Wi-Fi is down and you just want to crush some levels of Mario. Now, if you're a content creator or just someone who hoards 4K vacation footage like it's gold, the storage full notification is the ultimate vibe killer. Enter the Satechi Mini SSD enclosure. Most external drives are these clunky bricks, but this thing is barely larger than a lighter. You pop in an M.2 NVMe drive, and suddenly you've got terabytes of lightning-fast storage that fits in your coin pocket. It's rugged, aluminum, and matches your MacBook perfectly. It's the pro way to keep your workflow moving while you're mid-transit without carrying a dedicated tech bag. And look, we've all been there, trying to eat a decent meal on the go with a flimsy plastic fork that snaps the second it touches anything tougher than a noodle. The Pineland Cutlery Carnivore dining set is for the traveler who actually respects their food. This is a full-sized stainless steel knife, fork, and spoon set that nests together into a compact, bomb-proof carrying case. Whether you're hitting a local food truck in Austin or camping in the Rockies, it's a massive upgrade from disposables. Plus, it's way better for the environment. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and honestly, it just feels legit in your hand. Finally, we have the undisputed MVP of travel hacks, the Heroclip. I'm not exaggerating when I say this might be the most useful thing on this list. It's a hybrid carabiner with a rotating folding hook. Why does that matter? Because airport bathroom floors are a biohazard. With this, you can hang your heavy backpack off a stall door, a table edge, or even a tree branch. It holds up to 60 pounds and folds completely flat against your bag when you're done. It's one of those "how did I live without this" gadgets that you'll end up using every single day. That is how you travel like a pro in 2026. No bulk it, no stress, just pure utility. All the links to these gadgets are down in the description. Using those helps us keep the lights on here at Gadget Labs, so we appreciate the love. Smash that like button if this helped you save some suitcase space, and hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve on the latest tech. I'll catch you guys in